Hello students, good morning. I am Vasanta Parmar here. Once again, I welcome each one of you to my English lessons of class 11th. Okay, I hope you have gone through the first two videos of this chapter, The Portrait of a Lady by Khushwant Singh. Today, the last part I am going to upload, right? And I have prepared this along with the question answers and two important articles related with the text. So I hope you will carefully listen and do the needful. Fine, so let's begin. First and foremost, we would like to see three phases of the author's relationship with his grandmother. Which are three phases, important phase. Fine. So I have given here value points. So you have to elaborate and write it. First phase we discuss, that is as a child. Lived in the village with his grandmother. How the writer Khushwant Singh in his childhood lived with his grandmother in the village. And what all things grandmother used to do for him. Okay, so we can here name the relationship in the first phase is very intimate and warm relationship. Children, these are the describing words. So whenever you write answers in the paper, don't write answers in the form of a story. Fine. So first phase, which is the first phase? The first phase indicates the relationship between grandson and grandmother is very intimate and warm. Other than that, description you will describe. Okay. Second phase we can say shift to the city. When they shifted to the city, okay, parents they called them. They shared one room, but grandmother did not accompany to school. All these things you will write, that you have to elaborate it. Fine. But what name can we give this relationship? So this relationship, second phase, got somewhat distant. So they become far from each other. Though they were sharing one room, but grandmother could not accompany grandson to his school. Fine. And she was unable to help him with his studies. Fine. So this relationship name we can say got somewhat distant. Fine. Then third phase we can say shift to university. When grandson started going to university, so the rooms were separate. So separate room for the grandson. Here we can say the relationship is lonely, but grandmother accepted seclusion with resignation. And grandmother has accepted this loneliness, right? Voluntarily. She never grumbled. She never complained. She was very balanced lady. Okay, we have seen. So, like that, we can say that the third phase shows that the relationship becomes lonely, but grandmother accepted seclusion with resignation. Fine. So, you have to elaborate if it is essay type questions, and if it is as per the marks, you have to write the matter. Fine. So, let's go to the next one. Character sketch of grandmother, very important, right? So grandmother, we can say she was very strong lady, strong character here refers to very strong lady, right? As per dignified lady, we can say very dignified lady, divine beauty she has. Okay, why? Because she is deeply a religious woman. What she used to do, how can we say that she is a religious woman? Because all the time she keeps rosary in her hand, and she just keeps on saying inaudible prayer on each and every bead of her rosary. Then prayer was of paramount importance to her. Yes, prayer, she found prayer. Always she used to pray. Even while dressing her grandson, she used to chant prayer, okay, in a monotonous sing-song manner, so that grandson could learn it. Other than that also, every time she used to pray. Even when she went to station, okay, to send his grandson to the abroad, she used to pray. When he came back, returned from there, then also grandson found her praying. So all the time she passed her time in very inaudible prayer. She was very kind, loving, and soft in nature. There's so many inferences you can infer from the chapter. Okay, so many incidences are there. You can find she is always very kind, loving, and soft in nature. She never complained, never grumbled. Okay. Then she was very calm and serene personality. So these are the describing words we can use. Okay, she was very calm and serene, very calm personality, serene personality. That's why the writer has used the landscape of the mountain. Her personality is compared with from the top to bottom, completely white landscape. Okay, so she has a remarkable self-control. That is very extraordinary self-control she has, because even when grandson, though they were very close to each other, but she never complained about grandson going to university, grandson going to abroad for further study, right? Everything she just accepted it, and she just kept on praying for her grandson. So we can say she has an extraordinary self-control. Then she took excellent care of her grandson, correct, till the end, right? She took excellent care of her grandson in every way, fine. And ultimately, we can write she is very affectionate lady, very affectionate, right? That's why towards the end, when grandson returned from there, she was so much of excited. And that was the only time she just stopped praying, and she just gathered the women from the neighborhood, right, and started beating the dilapidated sagging skins of the dilapidated drum. And ultimately, she fell sick and she passed away. But other than that, the character sketch of the grandmother, she is very, very strong lady. Fine. Next, we will see. Now, here I have two articles I have taken, right, with regard to this chapter, which I felt it's good. You will see in the exercise in the book, it is given. Okay. So, here one article we can frame as love between generations is becoming a thing of the past, right? Generation gap, we can say. Write an article on the urgent need to give love and protection to the old people. So first of all, I have given only the value points. Here I want you to write very beautiful article in 250 words. Fine, children. So what is the format of the article? First you have to write the title, okay, and by line. Okay, left side you have to write by and XYZ or your name. Then article has first paragraph is you have to introduce the topic. Here what topic I have given? The urgent need to give love and protection to the old people. So what is the importance of old people? Okay, in the family. You can say older people are very caring, loving, affectionate. They have gone through so many experiences in their life, right? And what we can say that they are very, we can say we can't simply ignore, what they say. Fine. So this way you have to introduce the topic. Then what is the current scenario of the older people, right? We can say that the old people, right? Elderly people, we can say sad plight means they are very sad because of the generation gap. They have to remain lonely at house, right? Children, they go for job, fine. Sometimes you see, so many old age homes are there. Why? Because children, they don't have that much time to spend with their parents, and they put their parents into old age home, right? And nobody cares for them, right? We see cares for them, but of course there is a generation gap. These days people, young generation, are like become very materialistic. They have to run behind the hectic schedule of their life, and so knowingly unknowingly sometimes they are unable to take care for them. So here our main point is becoming a thing of the past. So here the protection, how to give love and protection to the old people. So why they need love and protection? What are the reasons? The first is old become target of criminals. You see that elderly individuals are the most frequent targets of fraud scams. Now you will wonder which type of fraud scams. Okay, so fraudsters, those who are doing fraud, they target the elderly people. Why? Because they may be lonely, right? They are lonely, so they are willing to listen to someone. Okay, and they are the one who trust more. Then they are more trusting than the younger individuals. Okay, so many fraud schemes are going on against the elderly. Okay, over the telephone, sometimes door to door, through advertisements. Okay, and the elderly are the prime targets to schemes attributed to credit cards, we can say. Okay, then charities, health products, magazines, home improvements, right, investments, banking or wire transfers, and insurance. With all this name, we can say fraud can enter at home at any time, and they can become easily target of the criminals. Okay, so why it happens? The reasons are breakdown of the joint family system. Now they become very alone. Okay, nuclear families we see all over. Still in Ratlam, we can say that we are still in some families we have still we live in joint family, but in cities, metro cities, and you go, you will find all nuclear families. First is breakdown of the joint family system. Okay, economic pressures on the young. Yes, youngsters are, right, as I told you, they are just very busy in their hectic schedule in order to earn more and more and more and more. Fine. So and then highly egocentric younger generations, because of the generation gap, sometimes their thinking doesn't match with their parents, okay, with the elderly people, so they become very egoistic. So highly egocentric generation become very very egocentric. Then these are so many things you can write and you can elaborate it, okay, very nicely. Then further you can say that solutions. Here even I ask you to search in the Google that some datas with regard to how many old age homes are there, okay, how many elderly people have become the target for the at the hands of criminals. This all data you have to search, children, and please prepare it very nicely, okay. And then solutions we have to write. What are the solutions for this? How can we, article always ends with some suggestions and with solutions. We never go, we don't we always end up with the positive things, okay. So article, I think 4 paragraphs are more than enough, even 3 paragraphs are enough if it is lengthy. So one is introductory paragraph, the middle paragraph should be the main content what you are writing, so there should be flow in your writing. So first if you are introducing, then only introduction it should be, right. Then second paragraph, if you are writing about how they become how elderly people are targeted by the criminals, then only those are the things as I elaborated, okay, that you have to write. Then what are the reasons, then only you have to write the reasons, okay, why does this happen, and towards the end you can write the suggestions together, okay. So don't mix up everything. So now only you try, you learn, okay. Then solutions, you can say old age insurances are there, okay, financial security they can have, okay, for the old people. Then a recognition of what the old have done for the young is essential, that is for the younger generation, so that they can give more love and care, they can care for them, they can love them, okay. Then comes, we can say that they should get love and security from their family. The family bonding should be there, because they have done such a lot, they sacrifice their life for the family, so at the same time now they deserve, okay, and they should get it, okay. This is all about one article. Then the second I have given you, prevention of cruelty to animals, okay. This is also uh, very important article, prevention of the cruelty to animals, okay. So cruelty to animals, right, it's a very common this thing, how animals are treated cruelly, okay, we can say by the people, fine. So this is also the second thing is, we can say, yes, fine, we see cruelty to animals all around us, okay, all around us we see it, because many experiments are conducted on the animals, okay. Even this is the evident, okay, the animals are kept in cramped cages, okay. Some use, go to the zoo and all, we see very stink very badly, so even you can't get the strength to look at the animals more closely, right. So these are the environment or unhygienically they are kept, okay. So behind the doors of the laboratory, we can say the most horrifying instance of cruelty happens with the animals, right. Young animals in the laboratory are being tortured in the name of studies and experimentation. So many things happen, right. In the cosmetics field, you say 60,000 chemicals are used, right, and often tested on different animals, rats, rabbits, pigs, mice, monkeys, okay. And even to determine that the corneal irritation, right, corrosive chemicals are injected into the eyes. So these are very very, we can say, very cruel, no, it is, you can't see that, okay. This happens everything behind the curtain, fine. So these are the cruelty to animals all around us, it happens. Then animals are being exploited, okay. Animals are being exploited that work for men, they are simply exploited without looking at their, like, no one have the mercy, right, because animals they have life, only the things that they can't speak like human being, but we can't ignore that they have life, they are also living being, they have equal right to live on this planet earth, but they are being exploited by men. Then cruelty and neglect towards useful animals like cows, horses, elephants, okay. These are also very, the neglect, we can say, okay. So the pain, even you see worldwide report, okay, cruelty include rare species such as liver tortoises and all becoming like in the net and leading in suffocation. Okay, and there sometimes though the necks are snapped. Okay, so many things are happen fine with the animals. No health for animals, so they don't think for the animals the health. Okay, then wild, that's why we see today, research says wild animals decimated for their body parts. Wild animals are decimated means becoming lesser day by day. While because of their body parts they are cut and they are just simply killed. Okay, for this reason. Then these are so many things you can write. So first of all, prevention of cruel, what is the animals? Okay, introductory, you have to introduce the chapter, sorry, topic, the article, the topic of the article, that is prevention of cruelty to animals, how animals are important. Okay, very short, one paragraph. Then you can further go through what today's data shows, that how much animals are being exploited or animals are being we can say tortured. Okay, in the name of what are the experimentation medicines. Okay, like for raw material, so many things. Okay, and then what are the reasons behind this. Okay, and then ultimately come solutions. So active participation of common people in extending kindness to animals is needed. First and foremost, it is a common human tendency, or it is common our responsibility to extend kindness, love, affection to animals is needed. This is the first and foremost thing. And organizations like SPCA full form is a Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. Okay, this is one society. Okay, this is the non-profit animal welfare organizations around the world, and this was founded in England in 1824. Okay, and these organizations, again I tell you, Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, SPCA. Fine, this operate independently of each other and campaign for animal welfare. Okay, assist in the prevention of cruelty to animal cases, rehabilitation, we can say, finding homes for maltreated and unwanted animals. Okay, so that can be re-established into new homes. Fine, so this is the SPCA work. You can see in the Google also, you will get many more information. Okay, their plans like Save the Tiger and Save Sparrow should get popular support. So what the society run for the common welfare of the animals, so they should get enough support from the common people. So this way I have given two article for you, because as I was here, we have seen, no, in the chapter how mother treated feed dog when she was in the village, and how she was very close to sparrows when she went to the city. Okay, no need to give an example from the text. Okay, this I am telling you. So with regard to, we can, this article we can associate, as well as the first one, that is old age people, no, because of the grandmother and grandson, this their relations were very beautiful, but today's juncture we see it is not so in some of the families, right? So this way too, this is also part of your syllabus writing skill. So I thought along with this, let me give you two articles also as well to write. Fine, so children, please beautifully prepare your article and write in the fair copy. Fine, so this is all about. So your homework is, this is the one, that write both the articles discussed in today's video into 50 words other than question answers you are doing. So this way I am completing this text along with this video lesson. I am going to upload PDF file of question answers as well. So hope children you are doing and you will do it, I am sure. So God bless you. Thank you. Bye.